What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody get.
My viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle. Real Talk TV. How you do? How you stay? Alright? I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always, guys, I hope you don't feel no pain. If you don't feel any pain at all, remember what to do. Check the doctor, call the doctor, go to the doctor, or make the doctor come at your home if you have the money. But if you don't have the money, please, me I beg you, ask somebody if you carry you to the doctor. It could be your cousin, your brother, your auntie, your sister, anybody, sister-in-law, brother-in-law, cousin-in-law, auntie-in-law, any one of your law them. Ask them if you carry you to the doctor. Guys, wellness check. When you do the wellness check yet, check up on your friends and your family, because remember, wellness check is good because mental health crisis is not a joke. You don't cook any food yet? Oh, a morning still, you don't cook yet. You don't do breakfast. What kind of breakfast you do this? What kind of breakfast you do this morning? Comment down below what kind of Jamaican breakfast or American breakfast you do this morning. Anyway, on your birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, yeah, my friend. One more year upon them. Happy birthday to each and every one of you guys. I want to have a dialogue with Groung God. And I also want to have a dialogue with Nick Vlog, new woman. Yes. The new one, yeah, the one where look like she named 10,000 Scotch bonnet pepper. The one where look like she hot like 10 fireside. The one where look like she say a February she born and she no take talk. So that means you know she wear the pants in the relationship between she and Nick. Well, hell I go pop in there. Anyway, lady, let me talk to you first. Let me say this to you. You see, when you see a man with a woman, or a man have kids with a woman, and you go in a relationship, and you take with the man from the woman, don't rejoice. Never rejoice when you take a woman, man. I'm going to tell you why. You don't know, say, the same thing will happen to you. Listen me good. When me look at you, and when me see you, me say to myself, say, well, Groung God, she's a lady, she's a woman, no matter what she do or what she say. She may not be in your class because you're a teacher, but I say go. So just think about this. The same way how your standard was up a little bit over Groung God, and the man choose you over Groung God, you don't know, say a woman can come look way better than you, have more than you, and just wipe him away from you. Yes, I saw it go. So whenever time you take a man from a woman, never rejoice over it. Never flash upon that woman. Never do that. Never do that. Make it, listen to what I'm saying. Never rejoice on a woman break up. Never do that. Worse, there is kids in there. Never rejoice on a woman break up with a man. Worse when there is kids. Because remember, that kid need his or her father. And you are now in the relationship. So you know that you have a man who have a kid. I don't know how much kid. Nick Flag have. It's now your job to make it a point of duty to make sure Nick Flag take care of his son. And it's not your job to take all the money from Nick Flag. As a matter of fact, as far as me concerned, Nick Flag don't even have it. Like how he act like him have it, it was all Groung God money that he used and hype up and spend on you. And apparently I'll bring him by too. It wasn't his money. So all you need to do is sit back, watch what I go on and stop hype, because remember me tell you say them have a saying, we are Jamaican, them have a saying say when plant no one dead they shoot. And as far as me concerned, you are go on, it look to me like the best man you ever have in your whole entirely life. Because for you have Nick, well, to be honest with you, Nick Donganatabe is just a deportee. And the way you operate with this relationship you have with Nick, you win the jackpot. Me not get it. Me not understand it. Me not try to understand it, but me not get it. Anyway, Groung God, hold on. Groungy, come here, my girl. Come here. Let me chat to you. Me know say we get up and cuss me off, but me understand, cause me did knock you in a several videos. And me did deal with you rough, and me deal with you bad. And me not go apologize like the rest. No, me not go apologize for nothing. Me not apologize for nothing. Because me not sorry say me make the video them. Me happy say me make them. Me glad say me make them. Because at the point they needed to be made. But that's gone. Long time already. Me done with that part of the thing. But now, let me talk to you. The relationship between you and Nick Flag shouldn't have happened. But it happened. The kid where you have with Nick Flag, it shouldn't have happened, but it happened. But listen to what I'm saying to you right now. Don't make a fool of yourself and in a no argument with this young lady about Nick Flag. Sit down, relax, make your video, and I'm asking you please, don't come out and curse your subscribers and your viewers. Can I subscribe to you, you know? Yeah man, me subscribe to you. Yes. Anybody me subscribe to, me no unsubscribe to nobody. Yeah. Me not see the reason for unsubscribe from people. No, me not see the reason for do that. All when me no like what you say. Oh, hold on a little bit. I think me unsubscribe. Yes. Me unsubscribe from them drunker town people. Yes, them drunker people. Yes, all a drunker town. Well, you know, I need to go back and check it out. I need to go back and check, because I think I unsubscribe from all drunker town people. But I go back and check and make sure, say I unsubscribe from all drunker town people. Because I do, hey, you know, thank you very much for saying this. I'm going to go and check if I unsubscribe from all them drunker town people. All of them. Drunk crows? No. I do not want to be affiliated with no drunker town people. So I do not want to be subscribed to them. So I'm going to go in and check if I'm subscribing to any one of those drunker town people. Those drunker people. Yes, I'm going to check. Anyway, back to you. So, Groungy, aka Groung God, aka Dancer, aka Wine. Listen to me. Do not go and be in any argument with this lady over this unscrupulous, non-progressive element of a man that you have a child with. Tell yourself, say, it was a moment, it gone. And let me tell you something. You remember this song? Or you know this song we say, when you leave a man, you not take him back. Him coulda come at your house, him coulda beg and a chat. When him did have you, he never know if he do it. No ride again. Do not take back that man. Do not take back Nick Vlog. Make Nick, listen me good. If you say Nick Vlog, the only conversation you and Nick Vlog supposed to have is about your child. Don't make him tell you no sweet word. Don't make him tell you, say, oh baby, you know, it's this. If him come and tell you about, oh baby, you know, is that, you say, oh baby, you know, you need the F half. Yes, make him go on about him business. You and your kids, I know, like how you are, listen me. And listen me good. You see, anytime again you're ready if you make nobody sing song in a your cenapad, you need to tell them, say, listen, as a matter of fact, HIV, don't a Jamaica whole heap, you need to tell them, say, oh yeah, where the condom there? As a matter of fact, you need to go to the center and pick up them condoms. And you need to have them condom in your vicinity of your pocket, your bag, your purse, or your house. And anybody come in there where you're going to give any of your goodie goods, you tell them, say, oh yeah, make me put this on. No, make them take out none out of them pocket, but them have. No, don't make them take out none out of them pocket because them a bore it. Them I use needle and a bore the condom them. So when you believe that the condom was on, all of a sudden you either have something or you get pregnant, you be like, but you wear a condom, so what happened? You is not Mary. You is not Mary, I got that. But I never have sex, so I get pregnant. So listen to me, Groung God. Be careful of what you're doing moving on from now. You hear what me I say? Me I talk to you as a man, as a father. Me used to be a husband. And me I talk to you with sense. Me I talk to you with maturity. Me I talk to you because I don't know, like me feel sorry for you. Me just not happy about when me say man do certain things to woman. Me not like it. And listen to me, me's a girls man, you know. Me love me girls, yeah. Me love me girls, me love me ladies, me love ladies very much. Yes, ladies make me happy. Yeah, ladies make me feel good. But at the same time, what I'm about to say is, you have to be careful. You have to think about yourself. I remember, well, you have 3 youths. Yeah, you have Tarzan, you have your big boy, and you have the other little one there. And all of them father gone. So, what me think you have to do right now is just sit back and think about, your next move. And don't come out and curse nobody. Don't come out and make no video bashing nobody. Because you know, people have the right to talk. People have the right to say what them really want to say out of their mouth. It's just you have to know what you really want out of life. And at the same time, you have to just stand up, stand strong, and make your videos. Don't make, because I realize you now make no video. Don't make, because of this situation, you don't make no video. Make videos. Make videos. Make videos cooking. Make videos going to the river. You know, them have a whole heap of cooking videos out there already. You know? So try do something different. Try make your videos them different. You and your kids them. Yeah? Share your life with people. And don't come out here making any video cursing nobody. Just don't answer nobody. And to be honest with you, the whole Color Smith thing was, you didn't see what hit you. And now you must be sitting regretting all of it. But at the same time, me still believe that there is a possibility that you can come back and get back on your feet, which I think that's what you should be doing. So all you have to do is just work on your craft, fix up your craft, and just keep on moving. Yeah? So guys, with that said, I'm going to leave it right there, sir. And I just want to make this video to talk to Groung God and that bitter lady who she says she's 7 months pregnant. Me I wonder if a long time video that she's 7 months pregnant now, because you and this man are there and then all of a sudden you 7 months pregnant and this man have a young baby over, so you don't really care about the baby we have. And now mine or in my mind. Me don't know what I want, but me wish you luck, but all you need to do, leave Groung God alone. If Groung God a trouble you, stay upon your side. Groung God, if you are troubler, you stay upon your side, because the man gone already. Left the man and the woman alone. Just make them go on about them business. You hear, Groung God? Me gone. Maybe see you in the next video.